Good morning, students. This is your math class, and today I am going to start your new chapter, that is 7, and the name of the chapter is Linear Equation in One Variable. So, before start this chapter, we have to understand what is the meaning of that chapter. Then we come on our questions. So, chapter name is Linear. What is the meaning of linear here? Linear means the variable which has maximum power only 1, which has maximum power only 1. So by default 1 we never write. So if 1 present here or not present here, it means that the power of the x is 1. So it is that type of equation in which the variable has only one power. What is the meaning of equation? Equation means an arrangement or equality in which some sign come with some operation, like that one, x plus y is equal to 10, like that one. So it is known as the equation. Equation means an equality which has some variable and some operation in one variable. One variable is there is only one variable, maybe x or maybe y, not both. If become both, it is known as linear equation. Two variables, only one variable come, like that one. If write here 5x plus 9y, sorry, not y, 9x is equal to 14. So it is an equation first. Linear means degree 1 and variable only 1 you have x. So it is known as linear equation in one variable. So before start this chapter, we have to understand the meaning of this chapter through their definition. Summary definition. What is the meaning of equation? Mathematically or by definition, a statement of equality which contain one or more unknown variable is called an equation. Okay, you have one statement representation, like that one, 2x plus 3y, and state is just like a statement of equality means just like a equal sign, which contain one and more unknown variable. These are the unknown variable. Unknown means you don't know the value of x and y, that's why it's known as the unknown variable. So the statement, just like a statement of equality, you can say like that one, 3x plus 4y is equal to 9y minus 2x, like that one. And a statement of equality which contain one or more values. They have two variables or maybe more than two, maybe 3, 4, 5, 6, like that one. It is known as the equation. So in simple word, we can say that equation is a representation of some unknown variable with using mathematical operation. Okay. For example, I am giving here 2x plus 3y is equal to 5. This is like a statement of equality and one variable is there. Here two variable, here one variable. So it is known as in one variable, it is known as in two variable. Linear means you have only one degree. Okay. Now come on the linear equation, and equation involving linear polynomial. What is the meaning of linear polynomial? Which has only one power. So an equation involving a linear polynomial only is called a linear equation, which has only linear polynomial. It means they have only one power polynomial, not like two. Okay. So the example is same, just like that one, 2x plus 3y is equal to 5, like that one. Now linear equation in one variable, they contain two variable, they contain only one variable. So they contain only x or maybe y or maybe z. A linear equation contain only one variable is called a linear equation in one variable. They contain only one variable, maybe x or maybe y or maybe z. Example are giving here, 5z minus 170, or like that one. Okay, they contain only one variable z, they contain only one variable x. First thing, the highest degree is 1, so it is linear. They contain only one variable, it is known as 1, and equation means this representation, so it is known as linear equation in one variable. Now I am going to start your exercise 7.1. Before start this exercise, I want to tell one more thing. The general form of linear equation in two variable is ax plus vy plus c is equal to 0. It is a general form of linear equation in two variable, and linear equation one variable is ax plus v is equal to 0. Now in this you have to see that the variable come alone, here x, here y, and they are separate by a one sign. Okay, maybe plus or maybe minus. Here also one variable, there is a one sign, and the c means constant here. Okay, one number it means. So in two variable they become x and y but separately, and in one variable become only x or only y separately. If they come together like that one, x dot y, that means x multiply y. So they are not a linear equation in one variable, because when you put the value of this y after solving, then it become here a quadratic equation. That's why. So in short, you have to learn that in linear equation in one variable or two variable, they are separated by plus or minus. They are not come together as a multiply. Okay. So in this, they are alone 4x plus 2 upon 3, 3x plus 1. So it is also linear equation. They have x plus y degree 1, also linear equation. When you cross multiply, you solve. This is also linear equation because they are alone. It means that they are separated by a plus sign. But when you come this side, you see x, y, they are come in multiply. So it is not a linear equation. So option D is correct. It is not a linear equation because x, y come together. It does not form, it is not of the general form, that is ax plus b is equal to 0. It is not of the form ax plus b is equal to 0. So it is not a linear equation. Now come on second, if 2x plus 1 is equal to 3, 2x plus 3 is equal to x minus 1 upon 2, then you have to find the value of x. It is your second question. Some options are given. Now just look at the solution of this question. Second question is, if 2x plus 3 is equal to x minus 1, that you have to find the value of x. So if you remember that thing, first we make all x together, then make it positive, and then make it alone. So what, and you remember that rule also, if you move any number from one side to another of is equal to, then their sign will be changed. Minus become plus, plus become minus, multiply become divide, divide become multiply. It is a basic rule. So question is given like that one, 2x plus 3 is equal to x minus 1 by 2. So first you collect all x together and number together, constant. These numbers are known as the constant. Okay. So x come this side. When x come this side, it is of plus here, because no sign is present, it means plus here. Then when come this to this side, it become minus, then it become 2x minus x. And when this 3 move to this side, their sign will also change, it become plus, it become minus here. So you write here 2x become this side become minus, and go this side become minus. So 2x minus x is equal to minus 1 by 2 minus 3. Now you have to solve this one. So how you solve? Just write 1 upon 2 and minus 3. No one is present, is write 1 here from your side. Now do cross multiply. 1 1 is a 1 and 2 3 is a 6. So you write here 1 1 is a 1 minus 3 2 is a 6, and then 2 1 is a 2. It is a shortcut method. Just multiply this by this. How you multiply? Just multiply first this by this number and this by this number, and this goes two number together. Okay. So what you get when write here 1 1 is a 1, 3 2 is a 6, and 2 1 is a 2. When you solve 2x minus x, you get here x, and minus 1 minus 6 you get minus 7, because minus minus plus. So write plus 7 and write the minus same sign here. So it become minus 7 by 2. So what is your option in second question? That is C. So your option C is correct. Okay. Now come on the third question. Third to 10, there are some rules for question number third to 10. What you do? Solve each of the following equation. 11 by 2x is equal to 22. So you have to make first x alone. So first move this 2 to this side. Here 2 in divide, this time become in multiply. Okay, then it become 44. Now remove that 11, because you have to make x alone. So when 11 here in multiply, then move to this side become divide. Now cut 11 1 is 11, 11 4 is 44. Finally you get x is equal to 4. So what is your answer? X is equal to 4. Now come on question number 4. That is 2y minus 5 is equal to 3. So you have to find the value of what? Y. So just move this 5 to this side. Here minus, here become plus, it become 8. Now 2 is multiply. When move to this side become in divide. When you cut 2 1 is 2, 2 4 is what you will get? 4. So 4 is your answer. Okay. Now come on fifth question. X by 5 is equal to 3. So you make x alone. So for making alone, the 5 move to this side. Here in divide, here become multiply. So finally become 3 5 is 15. Now come on sixth part. 3z minus 9 is equal to 2. When this number come to this side, it become plus. So it become 2 plus 9. When you add, become 11. Here remain 3z. Now you make z alone. This 3 in multiply, it become in divide. So your answer is become 11 by 3. Similarly, 7, 8, 9 part you have to do by yourself in homework. It is very easy. First make this alone number. This move to this side, become minus. Then solve. And 5 in multiply, go to this side in divide. Then you will get your answer like that one. You have to solve this 3 question by yourself in homework. Now come on question number 10. Y upon 3 plus 1 is equal to 7 by 15. So what do you do? First you make it alone, that is y1. So this 1 move to this side, here plus here become minus. Now should apply shortcut method, write 1 here, cross multiply, 1 7s are 7, 15 1s are 15. When you do multiply, 15 1s are 15. What you get? Y upon 3 is equal to 7 minus 15 upon 15. Remain same, 7 minus 15 you get minus 8. All of you know how to subtract, plus minus minus, but the sign of the greater number. So minus 15 is greater, just put the minus here. So it become minus 8 upon 15. When this 3 come to this side, here in divide, here come in multiply, it become minus 8 by 15 into 3. Now just cut 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15. So finally you get minus 8 upon 5 as your answer. Now come on 11 to 16, solve each of the following equation. 11x plus 4 is equal to 2x minus 5. So 1x present here and 1x present here. So first you arrange all x together, or we have to say that all variables together and all constant together. So it means this 2x move to this side and 4 move to this side. When you do, 2x plus become here minus, 4 here plus become here in minus. So 11x minus 2x you get here 9x, minus 5 minus 4 you get minus 9, minus minus plus, and the sign of same sign, that is minus. When you make x alone, 9 come here in divide. So finally you cut and you get x is equal to minus 1. Come on 12 part. 12 part is 5y plus 3 is equal to 3y minus 5. So first you arrange, 3y come this side, become negative, 3 go this side, become negative. Now solve. 5y minus 3y you get 2y, minus 5 minus 3 you get minus 8, y is equal to minus 8 by 2. Finally you cut, you will get minus 4. What is the value of y? Y is equal to minus 4. Now come on 13 part. 13 part is 8y plus 4 is equal to 3y minus 1 plus 3. So what do you do? First you write as it is, just solve the bracket. This 3 multiply by y first and then 1 first. Is like that 3y minus 1. So multiply 3 first by y and second y minus 1. So what you get? 3 multiply y you get 3y, 3y 1 you get minus 3, and plus 7 as it is. Now just remove, arrange 8y here plus 4, 3y minus 3 plus 7 you get plus minus minus, you get 4, and the sign of the greater number, that is plus. So you get 3y plus 4. Now just arrange, y come this side, 4 move this side, it become 8y minus 3y you get a 5y, 4 minus 4 you get 0, then y is equal to 0 upon 5, and 0 upon something is always 0. So what is the value of 5? Is 0. Now come on 14. 3x by 4 plus 2 is equal to 11 by 15x plus 5. So first move this number to this side, x come this side, become minus, and 2 come this side, become minus. Now just find the LCM. LCM of 4 and 15 is what? 60. Just write 60 here, or by short trick you can also do, just multiply this by this. 15 3 is a 45x, 4 11 is a 44x. Now 15 4 is a 60. By shortcut you can also do, cross multiply this and then both denominator. So 45x minus 44x upon 60 is equal to 3. When you subtract, you get here only x, or you can say that 1x, or only x. You can write upon 60 is equal to 3. 60 here in divide, come here in multiply, finally you get 180. So what is the value of x? That is 180. Similarly 15 and 16 part you have to do by yourself in homework. If you have any doubt in homework question, you can ask me. Now I am going to start your next exercise, that is exercise 7.2. The first question is, the solution of the equation x upon 2 minus x upon 4 minus x upon 3 is equal to 4. What is the meaning of solution here? Solution means that the same, that is the value of x. X you have to find out, and option are given here. Now writing here your first question is a full exercise here. First question is x upon 2 minus x upon 3 is equal to 4. Now do cross multiply. 3 into x you get 3x, 2 into x you get 2x, and 3 2 is 6. Write 4 here as it is. Now 3x minus 2x, what you get here? Only x upon 6 is equal to 4. When 6 go to this side, become multiply, it become in multiply, it become x is equal to 24. So what is your correct option? Correct option is 1. So x is equal to 24 is the solution of the given equation. Come on, question number second. Solution of the equation again you have. Now you have to solve. First 3x upon 5 plus 4x is equal to 1 upon 3. First you cross multiply. Multiply this by this, this by this. When you multiply this, 3 into 3 you get 9, 9x. When you multiply this by 1, you get the same number. Okay. Now just remove 4x, come this side, become minus 5 as it is. Then 5x is equal to x, and x is equal to this number go in divide, because multiply here, when move to this side become divide. Finally you get x is equal to 1. So your option C is correct. Now come on question number third, that is 3 to 15. Solve each of the following question. First question is 2y minus 3 upon 2 minus y plus 1 upon 3 is equal to 3y minus 8 upon 4. So what you do, just cross multiply. Multiply 3 by this number, 2 by this number, and 3 2 is 6 as it is, and it remains same. Now just solve. 3 2 is 6y, 3 3 is 9, 2y is 2, and 2 1 is 2. Sign remain as it is, and it remains same. Now when you solve, what you get? 9y minus 2, sorry, 6y minus 2y you get here 4y, minus 9 minus 2 you get here minus 11, minus minus because plus, then sign of the same, that is minus 11 upon 6, and it remains same. Now you get here again, then the cross multiply. Multiply this by 4 and multiply this by 6. You write here 4 here, 6 here. Now solve. 4 4 is 16, 16y, 4 11 is 44, 6 3 is 18, 6 8 is 48. Sign will remain as the calculation. Now just arrange here y 16y, 18y come this side become minus, this come this side become plus. Minus, sorry, plus 16y minus 18y you get here minus cut 2y, minus 48 plus 44 get here minus 4, cut minus by minus, you get 2y is equal to 4. When this 2 comes this side here become in divide, then y is equal to y by 2. When you cut, you will get 2. What is the value of y? Value of y is 2. Come on, 4 part. X minus 3 upon 6 minus 6x plus 1 upon 3 is equal to 1. Again to cross multiply this number by 3, this number by 3, and they are together 6 3 is 80. Okay, here's this right side remain 1. Now 3 into x you get 3x, 3 3 is 9, 6 6 is 36, 6 1 is 6. Sign as it is, plus minus minus plus minus minus. Now to solve. 3x here, 36x here, just will put like term together, minus 9 here, minus 6 as it is. Now just see 3x minus 36x you have minus 33x, because plus minus minus, and sign will remain same. Minus 9 minus 6 you get minus 15, 18 as it is, you get here 1. Now minus 33x minus 15, this number go to this side become in multiply, you get 18. Then minus 33x you get this number come this side, here minus it become plus, then 18 plus 15. Minus 33 x is equal to 33, then x is equal to this number come to this side become in divide. When you cut 33 by minus 3 you get here only 1, and sign is minus here, so write here minus sign here. So x is equal to minus 1. It is your answer. Okay, now come on fifth part. A minus 5 upon 3 is equal to a minus 3 upon 5. Now just multiply cross this bracket by 5, this bracket by 3. Now just see, multiply 5 by a you get 5a, 5 by 5 you get 25, 3 by a you get 3a, 3 by 3 you get 9. Now just arrange 5a here, this come this side become minus, this number come this side become plus. 5a minus 3a get 2a here, minus 9 plus 25 you get plus 16. Now divide 16 by this 2, because here in multiply here come divide. When you cut you get here 8. So what is the value of 8? 8 here. Come on sixth part. Sixth part is 2x plus 3 upon 2x minus 5 is equal to x plus 1 upon x minus 1. First to cross multiply, this number multiply by this, and this number multiply by this. Okay, Now just do multiply the 2x to the whole bracket first and the 3 to the whole bracket first. So right here 2x here whole bracket, 3 here whole bracket. Here same, write x whole bracket, write 1 whole bracket. It means that you have to multiply the whole bracket first by x and then second by 1. Now just solve 2x into x, you get 2x square, 2x minus 1, when you multiply you get minus 2x, 3 into x you get 3x, and 3 into 1 you get minus 3 here. Same here, x into 2x you get 2x square, x into minus 5 you get minus 5x, and when you multiply this by 1 you get the same. Now these are the same, 2x square to cut by that side. Now minus 3x minus 2x plus 3x you get here plus x and minus 3 as it is, minus 5x plus 2x you get here minus 3x minus 5 as it is, minus 5x plus 2x what you get minus 3x. Now just arrange, this number come to this side become plus, this number go to this side become plus. Now x plus 3x you get 4x, here you get minus 2, x is equal to minus 2 by 4, where you get 1 by 2. When you cut 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, and minus sign is there. So what is the value of x is equal to minus 1 by 2? 7 part, 8 part, 9 part you have to do by yourself in homework. These are the same one. Now come on 10 part. 10 part is 3y plus 5 upon 5 minus 5y minus 7 upon 6 is equal to y minus 2 upon 3. So what you do? First do cross multiply, multiply this by 6 and this by 5, it remains same. Then what will you get? 6 3 is the 18, 18y, 6 5 is the 30, minus 5 into 5y you get minus 25y, minus 5 into minus 7 you get plus 35, remaining as it is. Now there is a 30 na, then 30 go to this side in multiply, here in divide, when move to this side become in multiply, cut 3 1s are 3, 3 10s are 30, and here you get 18y, 25y, 30 and 35. It means like terms together, number together and variable together. Here become 10. Now just solve 18y minus 25y you get minus 7y, 30 plus 35 you get 65. Here become y minus 2 into 10. Now just solve minus 7y plus 65 multiply 10 by y, it become 10y, and 10 by 2 you get minus 20. Now arrange variable together and constant together. This 10y come this side minus, this go this side negative. When you solve, it become here minus minus plus, that is minus 17y, here minus minus plus 85 minus, cut minus by minus sign, then you get y is 17, y is equal to 85, then y is equal to 85, 17 come this side in divide, when you get 5. So what is the value of x? You get 5 here. Now come on 11 one. 2x minus 3 upon 2 plus 2x plus 3x minus 1 upon 4 is equal to 1 upon 8. So by yourself you put here 1. First solve the bracket, just multiply this 4 2 is the 8x, and when you multiply this by 1 you get same, and then 4 1 is the 4. First you solve the bracket according to board marks like that one. Then 8x plus 3x you get here what? 11x minus 1 upon 4 is equal to 1 by 8. And now again do cross multiply, this 4 by this 2 by this, and 4 2 is the 8. Here also write 1 upon 8. Then this 8 cut by this 8 because they are in equal side. Now just solve. 4 2 is the 8x, 4 3 is the 12, 2 11 is the 22x, and 2 1 is the 2 is equal to 1. Now 8x 22x, when you add you get 30x, minus 12 minus 2 get minus 14 is equal to 1. Then 30x is equal to 1 plus 14, it become 15. Then x is equal to 15 by 30, because here in multiply, here become in divide. Finally you get x is equal to 1 by 2 as your answer. 12 part is just like same previous one. You have to solve, simply just do cross multiply, this by this, and then arrange and make the variable together and constant together, and then solve. Now 13 part. 13 part is x plus 2y 6 minus 11 minus x upon 3. Okay, first to solve the bracket now. Just multiply this by 4, this by 3, and this together. Now so writing here, now just 11 4 is the 44, 4 into minus 4 minus 4x minus 3 as it is 12. Now solve. 44 minus 4 you get 41, minus 44 minus 3 you get 41, 4 as it is, and it become 12 here. Now just see, It is 12. It is 12. If I am solving with the help of this, then we have to do difficult calculation. This by this by this, and this by this. You can solve by this method also. But what I do, I make some shortcut here. I am shifting this bracket. This bracket is of what? Negative. So I am taking this bracket together here. It become positive. Why I take? Because number are same. If the denominator are same, then simply we add as it is now. That's why I'm taking here. When this number move to this side, it become plus. Now both are same, so you add as it is same, because if the denominator are same, we add the number as it is now, like that one. 2 upon 5 plus 4 upon 5, they both are same, then we have to do like that one. 4 plus 5, like that. 6 upon 5, simply like that one you have to add, because both are same. So this number go to this side, become plus. Now both are same. Now simply add 3x minus 4, 41 minus 4x upon 12. Simply you add. Now when you add, what will you get? 3x minus 4x together, like term, minus 4 plus 41 together upon 12. Now when you add, you get minus x, and minus 4 plus 41 you get 37, and this 12 here in multiply, it go to this side as here in divide, this side go as multiply. Now just cut 6 to the 12. Now what you get? Multiply 2 by x, you get here 2x, and 2 by 2 get here 4, and here as it is minus x plus 37. Now just do arrangement. 2x, this come this side, become plus, this come this side as minus, it become 3x is equal to 33, then x is equal to 33 by 3, it become 11. So 11 is your answer. In this question I am making one shortcut. I am explaining one more time. Suppose you do like that one also, multiply. When you solve this one here, then what you do? Multiply this by this, and this by this, and this by this. When you get one answer, then again you just do cross multiply, you will get your answer. But we are making one shortcut here, because the both number are same, so we move this side, become plus, and they are same, they simply add. And then again you come this side, like that one. Then this 12 come this side, it become multiply, and then you cut, and then multiply, and then you solve, like that one. Multiply 2 by this, you get this number here, this. Now arrange all variable together, constant together. Now simply solve, you will get your answer as 11. Come on, 14 question. 2 upon 3x minus 3 upon 2x is equal to 1 by 2. So what you do? Just do cross multiply. 2 2 is a 4x, and 3 3 is a 9x, and when you multiply 3 2 is a 6, and x into x square, like that one you have to do by cross multiply. Here remains same. Now you get here 4x minus 9x, you get here minus 5x, here 6x square into 1 upon 12. Now minus 4x, 6 as it is. Can we write x square as x into x, and cut this x by x? Then what you get? Minus 5 upon 6 is equal to 1 by 12. Now what you do? Just cross multiply. When you do cross multiply, 12 come this side, and 6x become here. So you just see here 12 cross multiply. Now you have 1 6 here. When you multiply 1 by 6, you get 6x. Now make it alone. 6 come here in divide. Now just solve. 6 1 just 6, 6 2 is 12. You get minus 5 into 2. And what is the value of x? Is minus 10. Come on, 15 part of this exercise. 3x plus 1 upon 16 minus x plus 3 upon 8 is equal to 3x minus 1 upon 40 is equal to this. So what do you do? Just do LCM here, because if you do cross multiply, it may be difficult for you. Multiply this by this, this by this, and this by this. You can do by this method also, you can get your answer, because number are big. So we are taking one LCM here. LCM, what is the LCM of 16 and 8 is 16. Now just write same term here and same term here. Okay, so what you do? Just write LCM 16, same term here, same term here. Now just check in the table of 16 how many time LCM will come. Only one time. Just write here 1. In the table of 8 how many time LCM will come? 2 times. So multiply by 2. 1 again I am telling. Just write same. Just write same. First thing. Second thing, just write the LCM here. Third thing, now in the table of denominator stack how many time LCM will come? 16 table, 16 come only 1 times, multiply by 1. And in the table of 8 how many time LCM will come? 2 times, so just multiply by 2. It is the actual method of LCM. Similarly here also find the LCM 14. Now what you do? Just write this same and write this same. Now just check how many times 14 come in the table of LCM. 1 time, and 7 in the table of LCM 2 times. Now just solve. When you multiply this by 1, you get same. When you multiply by 2, minus it is 2 into x, 2x, 2 into 3, you get 6. Here also same. Multiply 2 to the 4x and 3 to the 6. Now just solve, because minus is there. When you open the bracket, their sign will be changed. Plus become minus, minus become plus. So it is plus become minus, it is plus become minus. This is same. Here also it become minus, it is minus, it become plus. When you open the bracket and minus sign is there, then the sign will be changed. Now just solve. 3x just like light them together, and 6 minus 1, sorry, plus 1 minus 6 upon 16, and here also 6x minus 4x minus 1 plus 6 upon 40. Now you get here x, and you get here minus 5 upon 16, and you get 3x minus 4x, you get here minus x plus 5 upon 14. Now finally you get 1640. Just do cross multiply, 14 here and 16 here. When you multiply, what will you get? 14 into x, 14x, 14 into 5, you get 17, 16 into minus x minus 16x, and 16 into 5, you get 80. Now just solve. X, 14x here, this come this side become positive, and this come this side become positive. You get 30x is equal to 150 after when you add, and x is equal to 150 by 30, cut 0 by 0, and 3 5 is 15. Finally you get x value is 15. So I am completed your exercise 7.1 and 7.2 both. Some question I am giving you in homework. So if anyone have any doubt in any question, you can ask me now. Thank you.